Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Excuse me. I love to limb line fish. And that's just you bait a hook and tie it to a limb and set it in the water and leave it overnight. And nothing I love more than doing that. Well, I normally would wrap my limb lines around toilet paper rolls, the old roll, not with toilet paper on it, not nowadays, but the old cardboard rolls. But I'd got to thinking I needed something different. Well, I'm not through with this board yet, but for whatever reason I bought a bunch of these eye hooks, and so I could put two on each one, but I had enough room. I just put one, and I was running out of these hooks. These are what I call a self-setting hook, and these will catch a catfish. But I've got two set out already. I'm fixing to set all these out, so that'll give me 8 hooks in the water. And you figure with those kind of odds, I'm bound to catch something. And I'll give you a secret weapon when you're setting these limb lines. That is fatback. It won't hardly come off the hook, and it puts out like a chum scent, and it'll bring the catfish in. That is Bo. He's doing his whining. He doesn't hurt or anything, ain't hungry, ain't thirsty. He just whines. But I'm gonna set these out and we'll see how this fatback does overnight soaking. And I've already got one catfish on the line. I came up and it was straight out, and I said that can only mean one thing. And it sure did. I had a nice sized cat on there, but we'll see. I'll take it off and reset that, and we'll see how good do with all these hooks out. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.